Hello everyone, Mr. Mankey again, and this lesson will be about how we can organize our Outlook emails so we can easily find important emails and keep them together with similar content. So again, we might be thinking about, what classes do I have that I'll be getting emails from? Organizing them in this way. So we go ahead and we launch our email. Right now I just have a handful of emails that I've been sending myself, sometimes pictures and whatnot, but we're going to pretend that I'm a student again, and I will say, okay, so right now, again, I'm going to use my favorite example of Algebra 2, so I'm going to say, okay, I'm taking Algebra 2. In my inbox, I'm going to right-click, just like all the other folders we made, in our desktop, in our bookmarks. We right-click, New Folder, select New Folder. I'm going to call this one Algebra. I'm just going to abbreviate 2. Hit Enter. Now I have created an Algebra 2 folder. And I am a student, and I'm in Algebra 2 with Miss Self. So whenever I get an email from Miss Self about Algebra 2, such as this email right here, I can click it and drag it into my Algebra 2 folder. Click and drag. So that's how we create folders and move our emails into organized areas. And this skill, guys, is going to be really important because right now at virtual school and beyond just high school, if you choose to go to college or in your occupation after college or after high school, you might be working with a computer with a lot of emails and want to have a way to organize them. So that's why this is a really important skill, so we don't miss things and we keep our stuff organized and we can always find emails. So yeah, you just right click, New Folder. I can make another one for, say, maybe I'm taking Humanities. I'm also taking Humanities, and I have Humanities folder, and I can go to my regular inbox. Whenever I get an email to myself, and I've received an email that has to go in what class does it correspond with. If it's an Algebra 2, I click and drag to Algebra 2, or I can drag to Humanities. Alright, I'm also going to do a quick kind of explanation of how we can search for emails. So say I've been in class for a couple weeks, but I didn't set up these folders right away, and I'm just getting around to it. But I know that whenever I get a message from Miss Self, I should be able to find it. So I go up here, and I'm just going to put, I know they come from Miss Self, so I'm just going to write Self, and here are all the emails that either have come directly from Miss Self or have the word Self in the subject. So if you know the subject of the email, or if you know who sent it to you, you can search using those keywords and find them. Also, your inbox is the messages that are sent to you. You can also see what items you have sent by going to Sent Items, and this is what we would refer to as your outbox. And just like we can search our received items, we can go up to this top bar and search items we have sent. So, hopefully that helps you guys organize your emails and always be able to find them, putting important emails somewhere. A lot of times, one other thing I'll show you is you can flag an email. So say this email that I got from myself was important because this retake is a really important file that I want to be able to find often. I can flag it, and then up here at the top I can go filter email to flag, and I'll be able to find all of my flagged emails. So again, hope you enjoyed this tech tip, and I'll see you in the next module. Thank you very much.